Hello, good morning, student. I hope you all are fine at home. Today we will learn how to find out the bigger and the smaller numbers, or how to compare the two numbers, which one is smaller and which one is greater. Here some examples are there. Suppose here the first step is we need to find out the number of digits. Just see the number of digits of this number. There are 5 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am having 5 digits, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits. Now among this 5 and 4, this 5 is greater. That means this 20,586 will greater than 2,586. So we will put the greater sign to this. Okay, now just see next one. In second one, let us count the number of digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 digit, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again the 6 digit. The number of digits on both the sides are same. If the number of digits are same, we will check out the face value. Let's check face value of each and every digit. See the first digit. Here we have 2. Again it is 2 over here. Let us check second digit. This is 8, and here I am having 9. Among this 8 and 9, this 9 is greater. That means this 2,99,486 is greater than 2,80,466. So we will put the greater sign for this right hand side. That means here you will put the greater sign. Okay, just see the third one. Here the number of digit is 6, and here the number of digit is 5. That means this number is greater. This 6,48,289 is greater than 48,469. So put the greater sign this side. So here whichever the greater number is there, that side you will put the greater sign. The easy way to remember this is you can open your mouth whichever the number is greater. Here this 20,586 is greater, so you will open your mouth this side. If it is greater, then you will open your mouth this side. So in this way you can remember the signs, how to put the greater sign and the smaller sign. So let us solve problem set now. Okay, in problem set number 6, first question we have: write the proper symbol lesser or greater in the box. In that first one we have 5,705 and 15,705. Okay, now just see the number of digits. Here we have 4 digit, and here we have 5 digit. That means this 15,705 is greater than 5,705. So we will put the greater sign on this. That means you will open your mouth this side in this way. That means this is greater. Let us see second one. The second question we have 22,74,705. The another number is 12,74,705. Okay, now among this the number of digits are same over here. Here I have 6 digit, here also I have 6 digit. Let us check the face value. Here the first digit is 2, and here the first digit is 1. Among this 2 and 1, this 2 is greater. That means this 22,74,705 is greater. So you will put the greater sign this side. So you will open your mouth this side. Let us check third one. The third one we have 35,33,302. And on the right hand side we have 35,32,302. Just see, we have the same number. This is also 35 lakh 30. No, not same. This is 32,000 and this is 33,000. The number of digits are same, but here we have the face value of the 4 digit is 3. The face value of the 4 digit is 2. That means among this 3 and 2, this 3 will be greater. That means this 35 lakh 33,302 is greater. That means you will open your mouth this side. So let us see fourth one. In fourth question we have 99,999. 99. And here I have 9,99,999. Here I have 5 digit and here I have 6 digit. That means this 9,99,999 is greater. So put the greater sign to the right hand side. So see the fifth one, 4,80,009. And here I have on the right hand side I have 4,90,008. Here number of digits are same. The face value of the first digit is 4. Again same. The second digit here we have 8 and here I have 9. Among this 8 and 9, 9 is greater. That means this 4,90,008 is greater. So put the greater sign on the right hand side. So sixth one. The sixth one we have 35,80,177. On the right hand side we have 35,88,172. Now the number of digits are same. Here also I have 6 digit and here also I have 6 digit. So let us check the face value. Here 3, again 3, 5, same, 8, again same. The fourth digit here 0 and here 8. Among the 0 and 8, this 8 is greater. That means 35,88,172 will be greater than this 35,80,177. So now let us see question number 2 from problem set number 6. Okay, here just see the question number 2. What we have? The Swayam Siddha saving group made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? Here the name of two groups are given, Swayam Siddha saving group and Swabhimani group. We have to find out which group made more papads. So first step we will write the data what is given in the question, and then we will do comparison, and then we will write the final statement. So let us solve this question. Okay, question number 2. In that first question, now first we will write the data. Now what is given? That's Swayam Siddha saving group. First we will write the name of that group. Swayam Siddha saving group. The number of papads made by Swayam Siddha saving group is 3,45,000. The next group is Swabhimani group. Write down the group name, Swabhimani group. The number of papads made by Swabhimani group is 2,95,000. First step we have written the data. Now we will do the comparison. Now among this 3,45,000 and 2,95,000. Now which one is greater? Correct. This 3,45,000 will be greater. So we will put the greater sign to this. If it is greater, that means this group had made more papads. This Swayam Siddha saving group had made more papads. So write down the final statement. Therefore, so Swayam Siddha saving group had made more papads. So let us see second one. Okay, in second question what we have? Question number 2. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seeds? Here what data we have? That Ahmednagar district collected this much seeds and Pune district has collected this much seeds. First we will write that and then we will do comparison. So write down the district name first. The name of first district is Ahmednagar district. and the number of seats collected by them is 2 lakh. So write down 2 lakh seats were collected by Ahmednagar district, and the next district name is Pune district, and Pune district has collected how many seats? That is 3,25,000 seats. Let us do comparison among this 2 lakh and 3,25,000. Which one is greater? Here the number of digits are same. That means we have to check the face value. Among this 2 and 3, this 3 is greater. That means this 3,25,000 is greater. So we will put the greater sign to this. If it is greater, that means this Pune district collected more seats. So write down the statement. So therefore, children from Pune district collected more seats. Let us see third one. Okay, in third question what we have? The number of people who took part in the Republic Day flag hoisting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandharpur Taluka and 1,97,208 in Malshiras Taluka. In which taluka did a larger number of people participate? Now here we have the name of two talukas. First is Pandharpur Taluka and Malshiras Taluka. The number of people participated from Pandharpur Taluka is 2,01,306. The number of people who had participated from Malshiras Taluka is 1,97,208. First step, we will write the data whatever is given, and after that we will do comparison, and let us find out which people, that means which people from which taluka people had participated more. Let us write down. Okay, number of people from Pandharpur Taluka. Just write down Pandharpur Taluka is equal to the number of peoples from Pandharpur Taluka is 2,01,306. The second one we have Malshiras Taluka. The number of people from Malshiras Taluka is equal to 1,97,208. After this we will do comparison among this 2,01,306 and 1,97,208. Which one is greater? Here on both the side the number of digits are same. That means we have to check the face value. Here we have 2 and here we have 1. Among this 2 and 1, this 2 will be greater. So put the greater sign to this. That means this 2,01,306 is greater than 1,97,208. So write down this statement. So therefore, which taluka had a greater number of people participation? Here this 2 lakh is greater. That means the Pandharpur Taluka had a larger number of people participation. So write down, therefore Pandharpur Taluka had a larger number of people participate. Okay, now let us see fourth question. Okay, in fourth question what we have? Okay, the question is, at an exhibition, the Annapurna Saving Group sold goods worth rupees 5,12,345. The Nirman Group sold goods worth rupees 4,12,900. This figure was 4,33,000 for the Srujan group and 5,11,937 for the Savitribai Phule group. Okay, here we have the name of 4 groups. The first group name is Annapurna Saving Group, Nirman Group, Srujan Group and Savitribai Phule Group. First of all, we will write the name of all these groups and the goods sold by them. That also we will write. Okay, after this we will write the answers of all these questions. So let us write down the data first. So what data we have? The name of the first group is Annapurna Saving Group. So write down Annapurna Saving Group. And the worth of goods sold by them is 5,12,345. Okay, after this write down the second group name, that is Nirman Group. The name of the second group is Nirman Group. So write down Nirman Group is equal to 4,12,900. The third group name is Srujan Group. The name of the third group is Srujan Group and the worth of goods sold by them is 4,33,000. The fourth group name is Savitribai Phule Group. So write down Savitribai Phule Group. And the goods sold by them is, the worth of goods sold by them is 5,11,937. After this, some questions are given below. We have to write the answers of that questions. In that first question we have, which group had the largest sale? Which group had the largest sale? Okay, the answer of this question, we have to find out the largest number first. Which one is the largest number here? Let us check the number of digits are same. Let us check the face value. The first digit here we have 5, 4, 4 and 5. Now among this 5 and 4, the 5 will be greater. Here we have 5 on 2 places. Here also we have 5 and here also. After 5 here we have 12 and here I am having 11. This 12 will be greater. That means this 5,12,345 is the largest number. If it is largest means the Annapurna Saving Group at the largest sale. So write down Annapurna Saving Group had the largest sale. Let us write second question. The second question we have, which group at the smallest? That means which group at the smallest sale? We have to find out which group at the smallest sale. That means we have to find out which number is smallest over here. Okay, now among this 5, 4, 4, 5, this 4 is smaller. Okay, among this 2, which one is smaller here? This 12 is smaller than 33. That means the smallest number will be 4,12,900. And this is of Nirman Group. That means this Nirman Group had the smallest sale. So write down Nirman Group had the smallest sale. Let us see third question. We have to write the sales figures in ascending order. Third question, I'm not writing question over here, I'm directly writing answer. You can see the question from your textbook. The question is, write the sales figure in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. That smaller to bigger we have to write. That means first of all we need to find out the smallest number among these four numbers. The smallest one is 4,12,900. After this the bigger one will be this, and after this the bigger one will be this, and the biggest one will be 5,12,345. So this we will write in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger. First we will write the smallest number. The smallest number is 4,12,900, and after this the bigger number will be 4,33,000, and after this the bigger one will be 5,11,937, and after this the biggest one will be 5,12,345. So in this way you have to solve all the questions in your notebook. Okay, till now we have seen how to read and write 6-digit number and 7-digit number. So let us see how to read and write 8-digit number. Suppose if I am having 8-digit number like 8451276. Now let us read the place name of each and every digit. This is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and this will be 10 lakh. And after 10 lakh it will be crore. This is the place of crore. And how to read this number? This is 8 crore 45 lakh 12,706. Let us write this in words. This will be 8 crore 45 lakh 12,706. Let's see one more example. Suppose if I have this, can be read as 3 crore 35 lakh 14,500. So let us write this in words. This will be 3 crore 35 lakh 14,500. So in this way you can write and read the 8-digit number. So I am going to give you some questions for homework. 8-digit number, now how that you have to write in words. Okay, till then take care, be safe and be at home. And this problem set you have to complete in your notebook.